Good morning, students. Today we're going to be talking about the number line and how do we add and subtract using a number line. So, from our past lesson, um, we talk about a number line and its parts. So, we have zero as a origin, and I want you to remember zero is not a positive number, it's not a negative number, it's can be called the origin or a non-negative number. All of the numbers to the left of zero are the negative numbers. All numbers to the right of zero are positive numbers. All right, so let's talk about how do we add and subtract using a number line. It's very important that we know the basic. There's multiple methods how you can add and subtract integers, but if you get confused, it's always good for you to go back and use the number line. Because using the number line, you will be able to predict if your answer will be a positive or a negative. All right, so if we're adding using a number line, first we're going to mark the number that we're adding. And then if we're adding, we're going to move to the right. If you are subtracting, your direction would be moving to the left. Let's have one example. Okay, so for example, if we are adding negative 5 and 7, so we have negative 5 plus 7. First step, you are going to mark negative 5. And since you are adding, your direction is to the right. And we are adding 7 units. So we're going to move 7 units to the right. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And our answer is a positive 2. Okay, let's do one more example. Okay, so let me see if I can clear the screen here. Okay. All right. So another example, if you have a negative 2 minus 5. So we are going to first step, you're going to mark negative 2 in your number line. Here is a negative 2. And then, since we're subtracting, our direction is to the left. And you are going to move it 5 places to the left. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our answer is negative 7. Okay, so for this part, I want you to try this example on your own. Negative 10 plus 7. Um, Pause the video and then we're going to, once you're done, you can play it and then you can double check your answer. Okay, so you are negative 10. We're going to mark negative 10, and since we are adding, that means we're going to move we're going to move 7 units to the right. So count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And our answer is negative 3. And if you think of it like a money, if you think of money, if you owe somebody $10 and you have $7 and you pay them, you still owe them $3. Another way is also is by following the rules of adding and subtracting um, integers, and that works if you have bigger numbers. Like example, you are working on 3 digits, 4 digit numbers, and there's not much. Well, even though number line could be extended to infinity, um, it's still hard to create a number line with that much number. So, but it's always good if you all can go back and look at the number line and think and predict what would be the sign of your answer. This is Miss Joy. I will see you next week. You have a great day. Bye.